Hello guys. Um Welcome to the YouTube. Welcome to our YouTube channel again. Now, we're talking about web development. The websites you use every day, YouTube, Netflix, Facebook, they all started as a few lines of code. What if I told you that you can learn to build something just like that right from your home? So welcome to Smart Skill Hub, where we turn curiosity into code and beginners into developers. So my name is David Joshua, your mentor here at Smart Skill Hub. I teach web development in a way that's simple, practical, and exciting. So my goal here is basically to help you understand not just how websites work, but how to actually build them, launch them, and even make money with them, because at the end of it all, the end goal is to make money. So here's what you learn in this channel. You learn how to create beautiful web pages using HTML and CSS. You learn how to make them interactive using JavaScript, how to connect everything with real world projects, how to use tools like Visual Studio Code or a code editor, but we'll mainly be using Visual Studio Code, GitHub, and Bootstrap to build faster and smarter. That is the goal. You need to be professional, and most importantly, you also learn how to think like a developer. So each lesson is beginner friendly, no jargon, no confusion, just clear step by step learning that gets you real results. So web development is one of the most powerful skills you can learn today. It teaches you to solve problems, express creativity, and open doors to endless opportunities. You can work as a freelancer, you can land a remote job, you can even build your own startup, all from your laptop. And the best part is you don't even need a computer science degree. You just need to be committed, you need to have the hunger for it, curiosity, and with the proper guidance, which I'm here to give, will make that possible. And that's what Smart Skill Hub gives you. So I could just give you a simple template. Alright guys, let's do practical, a little bit of practical. So the first thing to do is to create a file. So you can just right click your mouse and you've seen new folder. So you can create a folder and name it my first website. Okay, so we have this right now. The next thing to do is to open up your Visual Studio Code once you've downloaded it and installed it. Next thing to do is to open it up. No. So once you open it up, you will have something like this. Now with something like this, the first thing you do is you click on open folder, then we'll scroll down and look for that our folder we created, which is this my first website. So you click on it and do select folder. Now you have this, you see it here, confirm it here. Now you come over here, click on this to create a new file. I'll say index.html. Hit the enter key. Now you have this up, so you can just expand this. So with this now, there's something called the default HTML template. So you can do that by holding Shift and press 1. Once you have this up, you hit the enter key. Now you have all this template. This is a default template. The doc type, it tells the computer or the system that this is a HTML file. Then you have the HTML language is English in case you want it to be something else, maybe French, Japanese, Korean. That's for this. Then the document. This document is as a result of this title page. Now is when you see a website. Let's say this website now. I'm not sure it's going to open, but let's see. Alright, yes, you can see www.kayak.com. Yes, if it's YouTube, it will be youtube.com, facebook.com. So now that title page is this, your personal web address. So is this, so let's close this. So in this document, let's just put something. Let me put my name, which is joshua.com. Alright, now I'll do with the title. Now we'll come over to the body. I usually advise you expand this up. Now in the body, I'm going to use something called the heading tag. So let's use a H1, hit the enter key, and let's type my first web page, my first shopping websites. Alright, now the next thing to do is let's use a paragraph tag, and let's just say I am creating this for my business. Alright, very good. Now click on save, Ctrl S to save it. So you click on Ctrl S to save it. Now let us now load this up on our browser. So you right click and you scroll down, open with live server. Let's wait for it. Now you have this. Can you see it? Joshua.com and my first shopping website. I'm creating this for my business. And should in case you don't have a live server, when you right click, you don't have this, so you can just close this here. You come to that folder, you double click on it, and you can see it here. This your index file. You double click on it and it will open up my first shopping website. So on Smart Skill Hub, I'll walk you through the full roadmap, HTML and CSS basics. That is, you learn the foundation of it. Then JavaScript mastery, so you make your websites come alive. Front-end frameworks, you learn Bootstrap and React. They make things very, very easy. Then you also get to learn real projects. You build your portfolio. So each video will challenge you a little more. That is, we will keep on stacking it based on levels and cadres. Our aim is to help you be better than you were before. So it's going to help you grow and get you closer to your dream of becoming a professional web developer. Alright, so if you are ready to start your web development journey, to learn smart, build bold, and create your digital future, you are in the right place. So subscribe and turn on the notification so that when we have new videos being posted, you can easily get the notification even without you daily checking on YouTube. But you will just get it, and it just makes things more easier for you. So this is Smart Skill Hub, where your code becomes your confidence, your skill becomes what makes you proud, your skills becomes your means of livelihood, and we are here to make it possible for you. Alright, thank you very much. This is Joshua David once again, and I'll see you in the next video.